Hi, today's video we are going to look at the ultimate PDF editing app, Wondershare PDF Elements 10. With it you can edit PDF, you can convert your PDF to different file format like Microsoft Word, and you could even use the magic of AI to summarize your entire PDF. So let's get started. To get PDF Element 10, you can click on the card in the top right corner or also the link down below in the description. Once you land on this website, click on the button that says free download. After download, click on this link and install this app. It can take some time to install. Now installation is finished and click on start now. You'll see an interface that look like this. At the very top you have a set of tools that help you very quickly start working on PDF. You'll also want to consider some of the paid plans that unlock all of the advanced functionality. Now I have a PDF contract that I need to start working on. I'll click on this icon and here's the PDF file. I'll simply drag and drop this into PDF Element 10 and this open up my PDF. Looking at this PDF document, it's going to need a little bit of work up at the top. This isn't our official logo. Luckily, I can edit this PDF just like a Word document. At the very top, I have additional tabs like zoom in and zoom out, highlighted tool and elements which you can use in your document, and add text, OCR and like crop tool. And I want to add this logo image. Now click on add image and now click on this logo text. Now I can resize this with handles with pressing shift key on my keyboard and set into my top. If you want to crop your text document, click on it and then set crop margin and hit apply. I also have a highlighter tool. I like this and let's go with a yellow highlight. Here I can highlight all the text and that way it really stand out. If you want to add more text on this, click on add text now and then type there anything you want to add. If you want to add any type of element like rectangle, arrow, line, oval shape, you can click on it and then drag your mouse with pressing shift key on your keyboard. If you want to add link on your PDF document, now click on this add link and create a box and then open a web page. Now type any URL on this and you can now click on apply and your link button is created into your PDF document. Now click on this link below. This will open automatically. Now we are going to convert tab. On this tab there are a lot of options to create a PDF document, to create a Word document and PPT or PowerPoint document, to image, to text and much more. Over on the right hand side, I'll click on this AI sidebar icon and this open up a pane over on the side. At the very bottom, I have the option to summarize the entire PDF. This is something that will be very useful. Here you can summarize, you could rewrite, you could also proofread. And if you are a content writer, then type any question here like how can travel and click on this wait a while and this will start to write paragraph about your question, which is very useful for content writers. Over on the right hand side, I can see all the different properties that make it so much easier. Alright, that was a quick look at how simple and it is to work with PDF using PDF Element 10. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe.